Reyes.
One thing here, if he makes the three, he can easily shoot the five on the side. He's missed it.
He made it.
Yeah, boy.
Jump there.
Here I come.
What 2 minutes ago? It's a lock. Watch it. It's going to go up 7-3. You just sit and watch the yard.
Yeah, boy.
Shot's tough, but he should make this.
Remember the last time he got a combination in the 9, he missed it. Not this time.
No.
So repeat. You can't make that 7 over.
He can. He can. It's tough, especially when he scores. Oh my God! He hit it 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Efren Reyes, two of the very best.
Magandang umaga mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Efren Reyes reaction and commentary videos. For today's reaction video, ito pag-uusapan natin isa pang napakagandang heel-to-heel match laban dito kay Efren the Magician Bata Reyes, laban dito sa isang pinakamagaling na pool player ng US, no, itong si Jim Rampey. At dito nga ginawa ito noong 2006. Ito yung Legend of 9-ball semifinal match, no. Makikita natin dito talagang parehong batikan at veterano sa larangan ng pool at billiard. 9-ball ang kanilang laban, race to 11 with winners break format, yung kanilang breaking, no. At makikita natin dito nanalo sa lag itong si Jim Rampey, kaya siya ang nag-break sa rack number 1. Ang mananalo sa championship, guys, no, mag-uuwi ng $120,000 para yan sa prize pool money ng magcha-champion. Dito nga makikita natin maganda yung break ni Jim Rampey at panoorin natin.
Off the rail. He's got to try to play position on that 2, and the 6 is a little bit in his way. He may stop short of the 6 or come back.
You want to have a little easier shot for the first shot in any match.
Yeah, because a lot of times the first shot sets up the momentum of the match.
Made it.
Boy,
Yep.
he hit that in clean.
Yep. And
What
he's
a
got
great
nice
opening
position
shot.
on the 2. And I would think you can add to the pressure the fact that you're playing Reyes, and you give Reyes too many opportunities, and you're sitting there watching a lot of the game.
I don't think he's worried about Reyes right now. I think he's just interested in cleaning the table.
Would be nice. Would be nice to get off on the right foot. And he's got to get
Doesn't want
by
to
the
hit that.
5. No, he
Ooh,
didn't
he
want
wanted to
that.
miss that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think he's okay. After making those 2 shots, the 1 and the 2, I think this will be a hanger for him.
Yeah, you just got to try to stop over on that same side of the table. The 5 ball's right by his hand. That's the next ball.
Sablay ang tira ni Jim Rampey dyan sa kanyang object ball na yan, no, at nag-cliffhanging sa corner pocket itong 3. Unfortunately, makikita natin dito mga kabilyard, tumago itong cue ball dito sa likuran ng ball number 5, kaya no choice si Efren Reyes dito kung hindi siya mag-kick shot. Panoorin natin yung malupitang kick shot dito ni Efren Bata Reyes. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Reyes with a very tough
One thing
play.
here, if he makes the 3, he can easily shoot the 5 in the side.
Well, he's made
Missed
it.
it.
He made it.
He made it.
Great shot. I tell you, this kid can
I
play
believe
this game.
half the Filipino nation is here tonight.
Could very easily be.
Fans come alive with that shot,
Yeah.
didn't they?
Well, and you know, talking about this this man from the Philippines, he's a national treasure in the Philippine Islands. What he does rates headlines, big time headlines.
Well, he beats me so much, I wish he'd stay in the Philippines. Watch the
another
kick.
look at this.
All the way up, back. He hits the ball perfect. I mean, he didn't even have to go to the rail.
This is the opening match, the opening game in the race to 11.
At dito nga makikita natin mukhang namumuro sa tira itong si Efren Reyes, no. Makita natin yung layout ng table, medyo maganda na yan at tutok na itong mga bola. Kulang-kulang na lang na i-post dito ni Efren Reyes ito at pumuntos, no. Rack number 1 mga kabilyard, maganda ang momentum ni Reyes. Sundan natin itong 9 at saka 8. Last 2 balls si Reyes mga kabilyard.
Ball down to the bottom rail to make the 9.
Think he's
Difficult shot.
going to have to go 2 rails across. Oh, he
Difficult
missed
shot.
the 8.
As you can see last week we started off with a couple of guys who were very nervous, and these two guys are old, seasoned veterans, and they shouldn't be missing some of these shots.
No, but I guess nerves
that
doesn't
happens.
know any age barrier.
TV
Yeah.
does it all.
Yeah.
He's got to draw all the way back for the 9.
Hit it perfect.
At dito nga, makita natin tumutok yung cue ball dito sa 9 at alam na this, no? Mukhang pupuntos naman dito itong si Jimmy Rampey. Makita natin dyan talagang nasulot pa ni Jimmy Rampey yung tira na yun, no? Kay Efren Reyes. 1-0 dyan mga kabilyard, at dito si Rampey ay nag-break sa rack number 2. Pasok yung isa sa corner pocket at meron siyang available shot mga kabilyard.
Stopped.
Here's the 1 ball, here's the cue ball, and here's the 2 real close to the 1. So he's got a good opening shot. Just cut it in the corner, bounce off the rail, and come back in this area.
If Rampey gets off to like a 3 or 4 game lead here,
He can be tough, huh?
Efren may have a problem here.
Well, you know, the last time they played for a big chunk of money, Jim was telling me, was back in 1986 at the resorts in Atlantic City. $35,000, and they battled each other, and Rempe came away the winner.
Yeah, I saw that match, and Jimmy played real good.
Yeah,
Tom.
yeah.
Ooh.
Well, there's the speed of the table.
Yep.
That's
Looking
what
to
he's
play
doing.
safe.
That's what he's doing, putting them behind the 6 and 7.
It was a good shot.
At dyan nga makita natin mahusay yung pagkaka-play safe nitong si Jim Rampey, no? Mukhang dihado dito si Efren Reyes. Naunahan siya ng play safe nitong si Jimmy Rampey. Pero tingnan natin mukhang may binabalak si Reyes, no? Palusutin niya dito sa pagitan ng dalawang bola na ito. Makita natin kung gaano pa kalinaw yung mata ni Reyes. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Sold out.
Full house.
Commissioner.
And tonight, I believe, well, not tonight, next week, you'll see a sold-out house.
Well, did he work a little magic there, or did he not?
I think he can hit that ball.
What he'll want to do if he can hit that is try to hit it and just drive it out where the 8's blocking the hole and send the cue ball all the way up table if he can do that.
Rempe leads 1-0 to none in the race to 11.
Oh, he can see it all, it looks like.
Oh,
Apparently.
he might be playing it cross side then.
Yeah.
Or else
Bank
hooking
it
behind the
across?
6-7. Is he going to draw him over behind the 6?
No,
He
I don't
can't.
think so.
He can't hit enough of it. to
I
bank it,
like
can he?
your idea, Nick, to put it out in the middle of the table where the 4 will block the 8, or the 8 will block the 4 from going in the hole. I think he's cross-banking this, the way he's stroking it.
Tried and got it. Oh,
No.
Couldn't
how
quite hit
close.
enough of it, could he?
9-ball
No.
may. Oh, you know, if he doesn't get a kiss off the 9-ball, he might have had him.
Okay, Rempe is like the cue ball's here, the 4 ball's here. What he's going to try to do is play the 4 in this pocket and draw over here for position on the 5 next.
Napakaganda nung tira na yun, no, ni Reyes. Talagang nakuha niya pang ipabanda doon sa pectos na yun. Kaya makita natin dito maganda ng layout ng table. May chance na makatabla si Reyes sa rack number 2 mga kabilyard. Race to 11 ito, medyo mahaba-haba pa. Pero mag-shortcut tayo sa bandang dulo mga kabilyard, no, para makita natin yung pinaka-highlight nitong laban na ito. Nasa 4 na bola pa si Reyes dito sa rack number 2.
Do all week.
What's that,
Play
Steve?
cards.
Is that what he's been doing?
That's what he does in his spare time.
Yeah.
He loves to play cards.
Yeah.
And here at the Commerce Casino,
Oh,
you can
yeah,
play
of
almost
course.
any kind of
That's
cards
right.
you want.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, starting out the 1996 season, it's really been a great event here at the
Yes, it
Commerce
has.
Casino here in Los Angeles.
I want to know how many miles is a handful.
At dito nga tulad sa inaasahan, last ball si Reyes, no? Mukhang magtatabla dito si Reyes, pasok yung 9. All 1 na score natin dyan mga kabilyard, at dito nanalo naman sa isa pang game si Reyes, kaya pumuntos ulit si Reyes dyan, no? Makita natin 2-1 na, lamang si Reyes ng isang puntos, at nakapanalo si Reyes doon sa isang game na yun dahil nakapag-break and run siya doon mga kabilyard. At dito sundan natin yung susunod na rack number 4.
Corner ball went in that time, Steve.
I saw that. Catch you some sailfish, Tom.
I've got one hanging on my wall that I don't know what to do with. All it does is take up space.
Here's the 1. Here's the cue ball. He's going to play the 1 in this pocket, and the 2's right here. So he's just going to bounce off the rail and bounce off for the 2.
Reyes leads 2 games to 1 in the race to 11. Winner goes on to play Jimmy Wetch next week for the Legends of 9-Ball Tournament Championship. Efren Reyes out of the Philippines, philanthropist, a national treasure over there.
You want to know something? He's an extremely nice guy.
Yes. In fact, I was going to say that I was...
All the Filipinos are wonderful
yeah.
to play against, to be with, to have fun with.
Yeah.
They're all nice guys. I mean, they come here and they conduct themselves like the beautiful people that they are.
Yeah.
Well, they sure have great attitudes. I remember when Efren came to this country 10 or 12 years ago for the first time. I was really marveled at his attitude is just superb, and I'm looking forward. I understand in 96.
Maganda pa rin yung pinakitang momentum dito ni Reyes sa rack number 4, no? At last 2 balls siya. Mukhang abante pa rin ng isang puntos itong si Reyes, at nakita natin yung kanyang husay, no? At galing sa pagkontrol ng bola. Last ball si Reyes para sa rack number 4, at abante ulit si Reyes ng isa pang puntos mga kabilyard.
Let's see if the end ball flies in this time, Nick.
Yeah.
Well,
did.
it did again.
Yeah.
Yeah. That starts to happen. We might have to break from the upper point.
Okay, Efren broke from over here and made that corner ball in this pocket. And now he's got the cue ball here and the 1 ball here. It doesn't look like he can really pocket a ball here unless it's a 6. I look for him to play safety.
Can't get it by the 6? Rimpey needs to do something good for the cause. He's down 3 games to 1. He's going to have to get his act together. Very fine player. Ranked number 7 last year and won the Players' Championship in Philadelphia. And
He's a great player.
Yes.
And, you know, one thing about Rimpey, he's been a great player for a long time.
I think he's won something like 11 championships.
11?
Yeah.
He's won more than that.
Has he? I thought on the Pro Tour he'd won 11.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Yeah.
All around the world, he's won a lot more than
I'm
that.
sure he's played everywhere in the world.
Okay, he couldn't hit it, I guess, so he kicked at it, and
He did okay.
Now, Efren has a choice here. He could play defense behind the 2, or he could possibly play the combination on the 2.
He's looking that over right now.
Tom, I know you'll enjoy that shot.
Yeah. Is it a tough combination, Nick?
Yes. Because he's got to let the cue ball fly a little bit.
That's what he's playing, I believe.
Yes, he is.
Let me tell you, I don't know if there's a shot this guy can't pull off. And you know, like all good players, they almost make good luck for themselves too, don't they?
Yeah, it seems like the better you play, the luckier you get,
Yes,
Tom.
yeah. You know what Branch Rickey said, luck is the residue of hard work.
2 rails here, over and shoot the 4 in the right-hand corner. 1 rail. No, he's going to play the 6.
Another combination?
Yes, sir.
Oh, my kind of guy. My kind of guy here. He leads 3 games to 1. He may just run away and hide from Rimpey.
If Rimpey's not careful, that's what's going to happen.
No problem down there, is there, with those 3?
Well, he's
Well-
got to have good speed control to play the 5. The 5 ball is the one between the 2 balls next to the 9 ball.
My
And,
opinion, he's going to draw straight back and shoot the 5 over where our cameraman is standing. Uh-oh, that's in the hole.
corner pocket.
Scratch.
That's in the hole. No. I'll tell you what, when you have it going, you have it going.
Didn't I just say something about good players make good luck? It's
You're exactly
unbelievable,
right.
huh? Is he up against the rail there, frozen? Is that
Yes,
a problem?
he is.
Yeah, he's frozen on the rail.
That's not the easiest shot, then, is it? It's not that
No,
difficult,
but I'm
it's
sure
not
he'll
that-
be
yeah.
all right.
Well, I mentioned the Pro Tour stop that we're going to have this year in Manila, and Ephraim's sponsor, AMF Poyat. I'm really looking forward to going back to Manila again this year.
Last 2 balls si Reyes dito sa rack number 5, no? Talagang side pocket pa niya, pinapasok yung 8. Talaga napakalupit doon ni Reyes. Precision shot, napakataas. At dito nga, aiming sa 9, pasok yung 9, 4-1. Ang score natin dyan, lamang na ng 3 si Reyes sa puntusan, no? At dito makikita natin talagang maganda yung pinapakita momentum ni Reyes sa laban nila ni Jim Rempe. At makikita din natin dito talagang nasa peak ng paglalaro itong si Efren Reyes. No, breaking siya dito sa rack number 6. Tingnan natin kung may pumasok. At dito nga mukhang maganda yung break, kaya lang walang pumasok. Dry break yan. Kaya bowling back to table itong si Jim Rempe.
On this first ball, the 4 is going to be very difficult.
What can he do about? Oof.
He hit it too hard, but he got away with it.
What he? Well, this is a big game for Jim. He needs to.
Oh, he hit it too hard. He didn't want to hit it that hard. He wanted to get on the opposite side of the angle.
He's got to win a rack here. He's got to get back in this
That's
game.
what he's going to do, Tom.
He's got to play that. If he makes the 3, and he's got to play the 4, hit the 4, make the 5, and hope that everything else falls in place for him.
Right.
Oh, the way it's lining up, it looks like he's really going to turn that 4 ball loose.
Yes, he is.
He was lining it up like he's really got to hit this 4 ball thin
Yeah, I don't
Look
know
at
why
his cue.
why did he draw his ball?
and play the 4 in the lower left
No,
corner.
why did he draw his ball if he's going to shoot the 5? I'd have followed it or something. Give myself more of an angle.
Yeah, he's got to really cut this ball. Look how much he's cutting this ball.
Yeah, but it looks like that if he just moves the 5, it's dead into the pocket, isn't
Well,
it?
he doesn't know where the 4 is going, Tom.
Well, he's got to cut the 4 to make the 5. And the 4 is going to run into the 7. And who knows where the 4 is going to end up.
Well, he's just got a lot of green between he and the 4 ball, but
Okay. Tricky shot coming up
yes,
here.
but you know, he's in a spot where he has got to make these shots.
Yeah, he's got to be a little careful here because he could. It's a hard shot to pocket.
It's a hard shot to pocket. It's a hard shot to avoid a scratch. It's a hard shot to play position. And he's behind 5-1.
Yes, he is. Anything else that's good?
Not really.
Anything else going good for Jim Rempe?
This is a big shot for him to get back in this match. Oh, that was a beautiful shot. Look at this position
I don't
here.
like
How
the
about this position?
Great shot.
What a great shot.
Great shot.
I'll tell you what, he's in tough. He fell almost straight in on this ball. He's going to have a hard time getting back down table for the 7.
You know, it's funny. When things are going tough, you just get that wrong angle all the time.
He's
But I
gonna-
think he can do that. He's going to draw it straight back and go one rail straight up the top.
I tell you what, I don't think he can get there, Steve. I don't think he can get past the sides up by the 8. And I don't think,
Well,
yeah, look, he's looking at a mass A, so he may, I know he don't want to play safe, but he could snooker him with the 9 here, but or go up table behind the 7. He's got some safety opportunities, but
No, he's not.
he hasn't looked at him.
I don't think he's. I think he's going all out here. I think he's shooting for.
Look at this.
Oh,
His
this
hands
I-
up in the air. He's
I wouldn't
trying
do
a
it.
mass A shot.
Mahusay yung pagkakakontrol ni Jim Rampe doon sa cue ball, no? At nakakuha siya ng magandang ball position dyan. Tingnan natin kung mapina niya yung object ball niya na yun. Napakataas nun mga kabilyard. At makikita natin dito yung husay at galing sa pinahan nitong si Jim Rampe.
Can't see his hand. Well, he did a quick jump there.
I guess you call that a floating mass A, that last shot.
Good
Ooh.
shot.
Yep.
That went in clean as a
Good
whistle.
shot.
What an
Rampe
out
is
this
trying to
has been.
battle his way back. He's down 5-1. Desperately.
Last two balls si Jim Rampe, no? Maganda yung pinakitang pina doon. Kaya ito, deserve niya na makakuha ng isa pang puntos. Dahil nga ang score natin ay 4-1. At ito mukhang abante ng isang puntos dito si Jim Rampe. Makikita natin talagang nasapik din siya na maglalaro, no? At mapansin natin medyo may edad na ito mga kabilyard. Nasa 52 years old pa lang si Efren Reyes, pero itong kalaban niya ay nasa 60 years old na, kaya matanda siya ng konti sa kanyang lang laban. 5-2 ang score natin mga kabilyard. Nag-jump tayo dyan dahil i-highlight natin yung mga magagandang laban nila, no? Minsan nakaka-break and run lang sila, kaya boring yun mga kabilyard. Kaya ito, mag-jump tayo dito sa rack number 8. 5-2 ang score, may pumasok sa break ni Rampe.
What he's looking at is this 2 ball right here. He can play the 1 in this pocket, and he can either drop underneath and maybe play the 2 off the 7 in the side, or he can try to come all the way up. He's going to play that 2 off the 7, isn't he, Steve?
Huh. He needs to win this game off of bad.
Looks like it's laying pretty good. I think he's pretty comfortable. He played possession for it. Nice shot.
Beautifully done. Got another big combination coming up here in a moment.
No, I don't think so. Not at this crucial stage. Well, we saw the replay of the 2 on the side. Off to 7. Now he's got to go 2 rails and try to get on the 6.
He's a little flat. He forced it up nice though and got a good angle on the 6.
Don't get this guy loose. He can do some damage too, Mr. Kelly.
Yes, indeed.
He's come alive in a hurry here. Jimmy's really made 2 nice outs and a great break that last time.
Well, you know, necessity is the mother of invention. It also is the...
At dito nga tuloy-tuloy yung pinapakitang magandang packeting nitong si Jim Rampe. Last 2 balls sa rack number 8. Pasok yung 7 na yan. At dito nga, last ball na siya. Mukhang aabante pa rin ang isang puntos itong si Jim Rampe, no? Aiming sa 9, pasok yan. 5-3 score natin mga kabilyard. Talagang hindi magpapatalo itong full player na ito. Ito mukhang minala siya dito, na-scratch siya. Kumagat, no, yung break. Ang ganda pa naman ng pagkaka-break. Pero ito foul yan, ball in hand advantage dito kay Efren Reyes.
Oh, boy.
Foul ball in hand anywhere on the table for Mr. Reyes.
Oh, my. You know how big that was right there? Oh, God.
The 9 jumped right in on top of the
That
cue
was
ball.
so big.
Now Reyes leading 5-3. Ball in hand. 2 ball across. 3 balls there.
Oh, instead of it being 5-4, it's going to
Yeah.
be 6-3.
Yeah.
Big difference.
Oh,
Enormous. Yeah.
right. All the momentum Rempe gathered up until that scratch, that's gone out the window. Now he's got to regroup. He's got to get back, and he's got to start all over again. 3. Perfect. The crowd reacted very, very loudly at that.
It's a marvel at position, isn't he? He just always seems to have the cue ball where he wants it.
Nick, what's he doing?
I can't tell. But I tell you what,
In a little trouble now.
he must have been trying to bump that. Does that go by the 7?
I don't know.
It must, or else he's
Probably.
going to have to play a bank shot. Yeah.
At dyan nga, swak na swak yung kanyang tira na yun at nakaposisyon pa dito sa next object ball niya, itong 8. No? Last 2 balls si Reyes, rack number 9. Mukhang hindi na niya pagbibigyan itong kanyang kalaban na si Jim Rampey. At dito nga, mapapansin natin, lamang si Reyes ng 2 puntos, raised to 11. Kaya sundan natin yan mga kabilyard.
Rempey breaking.
Yes, and it's going to be a 3-game advantage now. And he beat Wetch 13-12.
Reyes 964 to Rempey 788. Well, when he's that high, and he's normally that high, he's playing great. Only missed 1 ball to Rempey's 4, and no other mistakes. No other mistakes. And Rempey's got 788. Period.
All right, Reyes leads 6-3, and with the break, almost made the 9 ball, and almost.
Nag-break dito si Reyes. Ang score natin mga kabilyard ay 6-3. No? Lamang ng 3 puntos si Reyes. Maganda yung pagkaka-break na yan ni Reyes. May pumasok kaya siya pa rin ang nasa table. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
And hope this white ball either catches this rail or this rail. Now here's the 3, and he has to shoot pretty hard to make that. So he's in a tough spot. If that cue ball's lined up dead for the pocket, then he has to do something else.
Well, after he makes that 2, he's going to play a combination 3 and 9, and he's going to go to 7-3.
What is he going to do here, Nick? Well,
He
good
might bank it
prediction.
at the 9. He's got a lead. He may bank it, follow forward, and play kind of a two-way shot, a safety and an offensive shot. No, he went for the...
Give me a break, will you?
What a shot.
All
Give me a
there was.
break.
He's going to.
This guy pulls things out of his hat.
Now he's got a
We
big...
called him the magician.
Now he can play a combination on the 9.
I
Tom,
just
your
said that,
favorite or a
Nicky. I
billiard?
just said that.
At dito nga nagkaroon ng chance si Reyes na mag-combine, no? Dito sa 3 versus 9 sa corner pocket. Makuha niya nga kaya ito at yun nga nakuha ni Reyes, pasok yan 7-3 na mga kabilyard. Talagang mahusay yung binapagawang tira dito ni Efren Reyes.
Reyes scratches or something and lets Rempey get to the table, but the race to 11 seems to be a one-sided affair. Whoops, Rempey's going to get to the table, gents.
Oh, that 3.
Look at that 3 ball, and that's how close.
I
If
see.
Rempey can run
Hey,
this
I
right.
see one of your favorite shots going to come
Oh,
up here.
yes, I do too, the 4 and the 9. Now he comes back for the 2. He's got to get positioned for the 3, and then he might just climb back into this thing.
He's got to climb way back into this thing now.
He's got to.
He's got to run 3 or 4 racks. Here's the stats here. Reyes is still up there. He's increased his stats to 968.
Can you believe
61 to 26 balls pocketed. 1 mistake to 4. And Rempey's got a few errors where Reyes doesn't have a few errors.
Well, it's
That's-
amazing that
that's-
Rempey's won 3 racks then, isn't it?
That's AccuStats right there.
I tell you, the way this guy's Reyes plays. All right, give us some position now for a combination 4-9.
4-9.
How tough is
At dito nga nagkuha ng pagkakataon itong si Jim Rampey. Combination naman, makabawi siya dito sa 4-9 combination. Dito naman sa corner pocket sa ibaba. At yun nga, naipasok ni Jim Rampey. No, nakabawi siya doon ng combination. 8-4 na score natin mga kabilyard. At makita natin dito talagang malaki yung chance na maipanalo din ni Rampey ito. No? Pero ganun pa man, kalahati yung lamang ni Reyes dito. Napakabilis na makapagpasok si Reyes ng bola. Dito sa break niya, mukhang dry break ito mga kabilyard. So back to table si Efren Reyes.
He's got a little frustration in his face.
Well, I don't.
Rempey looked up here and he
Yeah.
said, "What was that?"
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like the key to this rack is going to be when Ephraim gets to these 2 balls right here, the 5 and 9.
What I think he'll do, Nick, is move the 9 right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, he will. When he
So
makes
then,
that 2, he'll.
He just felt perfect unless he double kisses it, huh?
Yeah. This guy, I cannot tell you how well he's playing right now. Enough times.
Well, we've watched him in so many tournaments. In fact, I was kidding him, and I said, you know, we can't hardly do a TV show unless you're in it, Efren, because he just has been a standout performer all of '95, and now he's starting out '96 in the same vein.
I was playing Efren the other day, and some girl walked in and yelled, "Efren, come on, come on!" This guy is like,
Well, he's a national treasure in his native Philippine Islands.
keeps beating me. I can't consider him a national treasure.
Yeah, playing in my hometown, Steve, he didn't give you much chance.
Yeah. Oh, he tried to draw that one, but it didn't.
And that's about as much as you will see facially from Reyes. He stuck his tongue out at the hole at the ball, and that's about as much of a look as he'll give it. When he makes a mistake or is lucky, he will grin, stick his tongue out at it. If he misses it, he'll really stick his tongue out at it. Outside of that, there's not much emotion for Reyes.
Magandang pinakitang momentum dito ni Reyes. Ito nga, last ball siya dito sa rack number 13 at mukhang abante na naman ang isang punto si Reyes dito. At pasok yung 9, 9-4 na mga kabilyard. No? 5 na ang lamang ni Reyes dito. Talagang tinambakan niya itong si Jim Rampey. Sa rack number 15 makita natin, 14 makita natin si Reyes pa rin ang magbe-break. Malakas ang break ni Reyes na yan. May papasok ba? At yun nga, may pumasok doon sa kanyang break. Makita natin dyan halos 3 bola ang pumasok mga kabilyard at meron siyang available shot. So tingnan natin, panoorin.
Get a plumber, stop the leaks on the table.
Boy. Watch it again on the break.
Look in the upper left-hand
Yeah.
corner.
There's
There
one.
goes the 4.
Look at it.
There goes the
Just-
8 in the side.
Yep. And playing safe.
I didn't play. He's got a shot. Left him a 1. Left him the 1.
And Reyes didn't
Reyes
like it.
scratches his head. Rempe needs to run about 6 or 7 racks right now.
Well, if he runs 7 of them, he's going to win.
Well, needs to do that to win.
The Miz is something. I got to get the Miz to tell you about his senior tour that he's starting this year. How's that? Moving along pretty
Yes,
good,
sir.
is it?
4 stops we got coming.
Wonderful.
When's your first tournament, Steve?
April.
Hold it. Hold it. Combination.
No combination. No, he's sliding to 5. Yeah. No, don't worry about this.
Okay.
Don't get excited.
All right. Desperate times call for desperate measures, man. Way to go in the 6 up here. All right, you going to open up in Milwaukee, are you?
Yes,
Liz?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And Chicago, you were telling me, huh?
Yep.
Then the Big Apple.
Yep. And also Alexandria, Virginia.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Nakakuha ng magandang pagkakataon dito at opportunity itong si Jim Rampey. Talagang sinulit niya ito at ma-steal niya kay Reyes itong rack na ito para makabawi siya ng puntos dahil nga 5 puntos na ang lamang nitong si Efren Reyes, no? At ito mukhang babawi dito si Jim Rampey. Pasok yung 9, 9-5 ang score natin mga kabilyard. Mukhang humahabol pero mahirap habulin yan dahil nga 4 na puntos ang lamang. At makikita natin dito back to table si Rampey para sa isang malupitang break, no? Sa break na yan merong bola na pumasok kaya tingnan natin kung makabuelo siya ng score.
He's got a shot and a good layout.
Yep.
The key here
2
looks
balls
like
gone.
Just getting on the 3.
Yep.
he's got to get on this 4 and then get up here for this 5. And he's starting a little thin on this 1 ball here, and here's the 3 ball which he's playing position on next.
Got to have a good touch here.
Oh, that's perfect.
Perfect.
Isn't it?
Yep. He's absolutely perfect.
What a nice touch. What he's looking for is to play position on this 4. The problem is if he slides over in here, he can't hardly get around this 9 to come around 2 rails for the 5. So he looks like he's trying to fall straight in, so he can draw out of there.
That's what he did, Nick.
He wants to draw straight out.
That's
He
exactly
couldn't come
what he
around
did.
2 rails. I tell you what, though, look at the 7. The 7's right in his path here.
No,
This is-
all he's got to do is use a little left-hand English to come off the rail a little bit.
For the 6? I mean,
Yeah. For the 5.
Yeah, but then he's got to come all the way back down this end of the table for the 6.
he needs to be where he could draw straight up for this ball, Steve. That 7's blocking his path, and look how close to the 9 the 9 is to the 6. He needs to come up on the same side, doesn't he?
Well, I think he can come off the rail. Look out. That's perfect.
Beautiful.
That's perfect. Draw straight back up. Play the 6 in the same corner where the 9 is.
Makikita natin dito yung precision shot nitong si Jim Rampey, no? Tsaka yung kanyang pagkuha ng ball positioning. Medyo rough pa ng konti, pero makikita natin yung kanyang tira at dito medyo umalangan ng kaunti itong cue ball.
What about this, Steve? Do you like this where he follows past the 9 and then cuts the 7 in the side?
I think
just missed the 6.
I think
I
that's-
mean, just missed the 9.
I think that's what he's got to do.
He's down 9-6.
He's
in
got no
games.
other choice.
But if he hits a 9, he could scratch. Well, that was a nice shot.
Now he's, where does he play the 7? Side?
In
or
the
up?
side pocket. And he's got to hit it soft to get position on the 8. He doesn't want to come past the 8 ball.
Rimpey doesn't have any margin for error, gentlemen. He's down 9-6.
Well, this really starts putting him close in the match if he wins this
Very
game.
good.
What a big game for him.
Yep.
Doesn't want to come past the 8, but he's going
He
to.
may hit the 8. He got a row. He got a row.
Dito nga makita natin last 2 ball na lang itong si Jim Rampey, no? At mukhang i-combination pa ba ni Jim Rampey or papasukin niya na itong 8 para maganda na yung position sa 9. At yun nga, pinapasok niya yung 8 para sigurado nga naman na makaposisyon, no, dito sa 9. Pasok yung 9 na yan, 7-9, no? Nung lupit naman nito mga kabilyard. Pero ganun pa man, nag-shortcut tayo dyan ng 9-6 na yan mga kabilyard. At ito, aabanti pa tayo ng ilang puntos para makalapit dito sa score ni Efren Reyes. 9-6 ang yung score. Mukhang mauna sa top of the hill itong si Efren Reyes. Pasok yung 9, 10-6 ang score natin mga kabilyard.
The 11th game to be decided, and with it, the man that will go to the finals against Jimmy West. We'll be back. Tied at 10.
At dito nga, tie break na tayo mga kabilyard, no? Hill to hill match ito. Makikita natin all 10 ang score. Si Reyes ang magbe-break dito sa final rack. Tingnan natin kung paano solusyonan, no, ni Reyes ito. At dyan nga, sa break na yan mga kabilyard, mukhang alanganin si Reyes dahil walang pumasok, no? Very disappointed yan, kaya back to table kaagad itong si Jim Rampey. Tingnan natin yung binabalak dito ni Jim Rampey. Mukhang i-combination niya or karombolan, no, sa 9 or magpe-play safe siya. Kaya sundan natin anong discarded dyan ni Jim Rampey.
Scratch in the upper corner. God, if he scratches in between the 4 and 9, it'd be just gut-wrenching.
Yeah, it looks like he's maybe trying to go all the way straight down table. I think he is trying to go.
Uppermost, of course, is don't make a mistake. Whatever you do, make it work right.
He's going for the 9.
How can he do that?
My kind of guy.
That's kind of a loose call there, wouldn't you say?
Nick and I are both looking at that, each other square in the face.
I'm a little surprised he.
At dahil nga sa katakawan nitong si Rampey, makita natin, no, nagkamali siya doon at may chance ngayon si Reyes na makabalik sa table. Dito nga aiming na siya dito sa uno. Napakaganda ng control na yun. Nakita ninyo mga kabilyard, no, napakahusay, very sweet yung kanyang pagkakapasok na yan. Nakaposisyon pa rin. Tingnan natin kung makarun out si Reyes dito.
Uh-oh.
He doesn't want to be straight in.
No, he is straight in.
Okay, what we're talking about is he plays a 3 here and tries to draw up and get it off the rail for the 4 ball in this pocket. We don't know if he can do that or not.
God. Oh,
I tell you
Tom
what,
Kelly is just looking straight down at the floor.
That's amazing. That is
I
amazing.
feel the pressure
Oh,
oozing
boy.
out of your head.
Oh, boy.
Oh, God.
I tell you what, he's still got a tough way to get out here from the.
Yeah, but
For the,
I mean, it would have
match.
been a tougher way to get out from sitting in the chair. Can he make that up there? No, he wasn't even thinking.
No, pretty crowded up there.
He's smiling.
Yeah. Well, it's kind of
I'd
a
have to
nervous
s-
smile, though, I think. I mean, it's.
He's
Gotta
got to cut it in the side, I
Gotta
think.
cut it in the side.
I think
he
he was
can do
worried
it.
about
We've
making the
we've
4
seen
there,
him.
Steve.
He just did
Yeah,
it.
he did.
He's still got a problem.
Yeah. Well, let's see how he's going to get position on the 7. The crowd is going.
At dito nga hindi mapalagay itong si Reyes na mukhang kinakabahan na din sa laban na ito dahil nga medyo alanganin yung posisyon ng cue ball, no, at saka may cluster pa doon sa itaas. Tingnan natin kung magawang paraan niya ni Reyes.
The winner goes to the championship.
Did he hit it? He didn't hit it.
Oh, he's a little bit soft.
He didn't hit it hard.
Boy, he's got to make a great shot.
Oh,
He's
my
frozen
God.
on the rail.
This guy is really. He's giving us a thrill right here.
Well, this match has been a thrill a second. Rempe was down 9-4, came back and won 6 in a row, went ahead 10-9. Saw Reyes come back to even it up at 10, and now this is it, the race to 11. The winner will be decided in a couple of moments. What makes you think he...
At dito nga sa tira na yan ni Reyes mukhang mahihirapan siyang kumuha dito ng magandang ball position, pero ito ang ginawa ni Reyes sa pulyan, muntik pang makarombola yung 9 sa corner pocket. Ito last 2 balls si Reyes, mga kabilyard.
Yeah, the crowd is going crazy here. I don't know how he did that.
He almost scratched on that shot.
Yeah, but he almost made the 9 ball,
He
too, at
almost
the other
scratched.
end.
He almost made the 9.
He almost made
did
everything.
When this, oh man, if he makes this and wins this game, the crowd is going to go absolutely crazy.
Well, I think it's almost a fait accompli.
Oh my God, what a way he's doing.
Napakaganda ng posisyon na yun, mga kabilyard, no? Pagkatapos pumasok doon sa 8 at ito nga last ball na si Reyes. Panalo si Reyes, mga kabilyard. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video and don't forget to subscribe.
Jim Rempe
Oh, my God,
fought
what a
his way
match.
back to take a 10-9 lead.
That's what.